It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never gon' step in. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement threes and throw a little fit together. Get on the go out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom, a little wanna ride with this part about culture, you gotta be fly. Ralph Lauren with the Air Forces, put that shit on to the day that I die. Nikes over Adidas.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Today, first impressions, first thoughts, all that good stuff, man. And I hope you guys enjoyed yesterday's video. We went over to Cat Display and Flea Market, McDonald's pack, and I showed you guys all four. If you guys didn't check that video out, go ahead and go check it out. Link will be pinned somewhere up here on the top of the video. But today we have an early look. Now, I've been dying to see this shoe. Now, this shoe already released overseas, but of course, and like a lot of Jordans that we've been seeing and releases in general, things have been releasing overseas and we getting them late over here in the States. And you know, I'm expecting like the Lost and Found Air Jordan 1s. I think they're going to still release overseas at the time that they were supposed to release, and I think that we're just going to get them late over here. But enough of all that talking. This video is not sponsored by GOKU at all, but you guys already know where your boy goes to catch the early sneakers. I gotta head over to GOKU to pick them up. GOKU does need to sponsor your boy. And y'all already know what time it is, man. Y'all already know it is my favorite silhouette, the Air Jordan Retro 1. And this colorway right here, man, I don't know if it's gonna be hyped up or not. I feel like, you know, I think that they are a dope colorway, and I think that they're gonna have a little slight hype to them. I'm not sure though, honestly, how a lot of people are feeling about them, but I think that as we get closer to the release date, they might get a little bit hyped up, especially at the time that they are releasing this shoe. So, official name and colorway of this sneaker is the Women's Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG White Starfish. I don't even know if that's what that's supposed to say. CACAO Wow Sale. You know what I'm saying? And I got these in a size 12. You guys can see the box right here. Alright, y'all. So, let's get these first impressions, man. I'm going to open up the box with you guys. Nothing crazy on the inside. Just your regular little stamp right there. Red Jordan box. You know, what we were used to seeing with the women releases. And right here, bam! Yes, sir. Okay. Let's get these things up out the box. Woo! Yes, sir. We got the Go sticker right here. We got the, you know, you got the Nike right here on the tag, letting us know that these actually came from overseas somewhere, probably in like Asia, because you got the Nike Asia like little tag on it and everything. But I've been seeing a lot of people talking about these shoes, and you know, they don't come laced up, or they do come laced up. Apparently so, that these bad boys do come laced up. And I must say, hey, first impressions are, woo, them things smelling good. Hey, I really dig the vibes of these. So y'all gotta let me know what y'all thinking, man. Check out the shoe. Yes, Lord, man. Now this kind of being like, you know, when you look at these, I'm thinking like, damn, G, this is another iteration of giving us that shattered backboard type lineup with the colorway. Now I will say that the colorway is a slight bit different, I feel like, than the shattered backboard colorway that we're accustomed to getting. So I want to say that these in their own lane, you know, especially with it not having actual black and it having this brown mocha type vibe to it. And hey, first impressions, y'all, quality on the sneaker is nice. I mean, I really dig the vibes of how they have like this keychain right here, this leather keychain and everything. I know I was hearing some rumors that this had to do with like a bag or something like that. I'm not 100% sure. Stay tuned for the full detailed review and everything. I will be breaking that down. Then you have the new wave. I think they had these with the low top colorway of those Air Jordan 1s that just released. And you guys can see you got the laces right there. And then you got the little, you know what I'm saying, shoelaces, a way to, I guess, you know, stray away from plastic to try to save the environment. But y'all let me know what you guys think. This is the first impressions of these bad boys. I think that these things are Fuego! And I'm talking about fire flames, y'all. Y'all gonna have to hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell for your boy. I will be dropping the full detailed review and on feed for you all, so stay tuned. Of course, your boy gonna have to do a lace swap, man. I seen on Facebook, my bro Willie sent it over to me, and somebody had like some brown rope laces in these joints and they was kind of thin. Yo, that shit was setting it off. But y'all already know your boy's going to have to throw them cell laces in there. Cell tongue, cell laces, and they gave us the cell laces. Material on these joints feeling good, man. I cannot wait to give you guys a full detailed review and on feet. So stay tuned to the channel. Let me know in the comment section, are these on your radar? Are you tracking these releasing? Are you going after these? Or do you guys simply think that these are just a simple pass? I like the way that they look. I like the age look on them. You guys know I'm a sucker for the sale on the sneakers, especially the Air Jordan 1s. And I like the build of how they looking. So for me, I think that they did a good job on them. I can't wait to give you guys a full detailed review. Enough talking over here. I will spin some pictures for you guys though. Stay tuned to the channel for the full detailed review and on feet, because this was just the unboxing and give you guys my first thoughts of the shoe. And y'all already know how we rock, man. Until the next video, peace, love, in Laguna Beach, and we out this thing. Get it!
Show your love. I still got that feeling now you next to me. Said I want nothing since you left from me. I can't sleep, I'm off ecstasy. My arm and